Hi, I'm here to do a brief introductory of frequency coding, something that I've created. And what it means is that when we are in a quantum shift, we are changing patterns. We are looking not to repeat the same loops and the same mistakes. So in that process, sometimes we get stuck because we're trying to define our new map and to find it using our internal compass. And simultaneously, we're being pulled back by old patterns and old habits, sometimes old people or places. And so it's not that we're giving in to those old habits, but we are still affected by them. And therefore, our map hasn't totally shifted yet. So I wanted to create a fast track to frequency coding. And before I do the actual meditation, I just wanted to explain a little bit more about it. That when I experienced this myself, the frequency coding was what helped me push through to releasing habits and coming through to the other side. And it was like learning a new language. It was like I knew intellectually that my whole life had shifted, that everything had changed, but I didn't know where I fit into it yet. So I was able to develop a routine and ritual for myself, and as I perfected it and went over it, I've done about 90 drills of different kinds of frequency coding. I narrowed in on what was working and what wasn't. So I want to see if it works for others as well. Now, frequency coding can also work if you're stuck in a state where you're not optimal, you're not feeling as well as you typically do, and you want to feel better. So there are many reasons to try frequency coding with me. The meditations will be with a very quiet background without music. There will be questions to prompt, imagery to experience, and a general ascent to a frequency. So we're not jumping from where we are to being happy. That's not possible. We're actually climbing a ladder of memories, connecting past and future. We are creating new memories. And in that process, we start to use alchemy to blend different things into the body to see what works and what new things we might be open to. So I think it's a really exciting process. I can't wait for you to try it. Just know that if you're stuck somewhere in your life and it's like you're on a new path, you're doing well, but something there is stuck. Maybe people around you don't understand you, or you're changing friend groups or locations, or something is shifting and you need that final piece to lock you in to be 100% where you are right now. And that's what I want to offer you. So please check out frequency coding. The meditations will be coming up soon, and I will be integrating it into the practices we do. Not for all, because I don't know if everyone will appreciate it. So I will just go by your feedback and how you receive it. And if it's liked, then I will start to integrate it. And if not, we'll try something else. I have 3 different frequency coding programs. They may be different depending on the person. There's also frequency stacking, where we develop the ability to blend and merge and really alchemize everything that's present rather than trying to fight what is already there. So stick with me. Frequency coding is coming, and I cannot wait to bring it to you.